back to my channel. Today I'll be giving you guys the tutorial on how to do a flip over quick weave with wand curls. Today I'm going to be using her from Asteria Hair, and we're going to be using 18, 20, 22 of their Kinky straight texture. These are the bundles freshly washed and air dried. These bundles were really full. I always feel like Kinky straight bundles are just full, period. So we're going to start off by pouring out my leave out. If you guys aren't new here, you already know the method I love, which is basically seeing if I'm able to see the comb through my leave out, and that's how I know if I have enough leave out. If you are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And then I'm just going to braid my leave out and get it out the way. I really miss y'all and I miss making content. I feel like I haven't made a video in quite a while, but now I'm back and I'm going full throttle. So make sure you guys let me know what type of tutorials you guys want to see in the comments down below. And I do want to say I really appreciate you guys for all the support. So after pouring out my leave out, we're going to get into our mold. And as you guys know, I love to do a mold instead of a braid down because I feel like braid downs aren't necessary and they just take up time, like, for no reason. And when you mold, your install just is so much flatter. And so I usually use my black gel, but right now I've been using this ORS Wig Grip Gel to do my molds, and I absolutely love it. I feel like it makes the install last longer and it doesn't take as long to dry as black gel. Also, although it is called Wig Grip Gel, it doesn't have glue in it or anything. It's really just like Got2B glue gel. For the mold, I just do 2 braids, and this part is really easy and self-explanatory. I just recommend watching me. As you see, once I do the braids, and I kind of braid them going towards the direction I want them to go, and then once I pull them up, it's really seamless. But I'll show you guys how that looks from the back. Now that I have on my black cap, I'm going to go in with my Robert's Diamonds Protective Shield. I usually use the clear, but I found out I really like the black. It doesn't take as long to dry, and it's not as thick as the white. You do want to go in with a thorough layer, but not too much to where you're sitting under the dryer for an absurd amount of time. After I do my protective shield, I go in with my Got2B glue spray for an extra layer of protection because I can't get every single spot since I can't see the back of my head. After applying these products, you're going to sit under the dryer for 10 to 15 minutes until your cap is fully dry. Now let's get into this track placement. So for a flip over quick weave, your first track is always going to go towards your face around your perimeter. So after laying about 3 or 4 tracks going straight towards my face, I'm going to start doing my tracks in this U shape that I was mentioning prior, just like this. And I'm just going to keep laying my tracks in a U shape till I get all the way to the top of my head. As y'all can see, my U has gotten smaller, so now I'm just going to continue to lay my tracks in a U shape until my U is so small I have to close it up by doing tracks that's straight across. Flip over quickwheaves are so easy, it's really hard to mess these up. But now that all my tracks are in, I'm going to take down my leave out. And y'all, just look at the look on my face. This hair blended with my real hair so good. Like, honestly, I'm not the type to like go the kinky straight route. But I think I might become one of those girls, especially with the summertime coming up. And when your leave out poofs up, this hair will blend right in with your natural hair. Also, I will have all those sprays I just used on my leave out linked in the description box down below. And I did use those same sprays on the bundles before curling. I'm going for like a big natural look, so I didn't blow dry the kinky straight hair before curling. But I feel like curling it would have taken away some of that texture and wouldn't give me as much of a natural look. Did y'all just peep my little dance I did? I'm hollering, but I feel like I just knew that this was going to turn out exactly what I was picturing. It was going to be so cute. Also, I've noticed a lot of comments on my videos. I'm from St. Louis, so that explains like the accent I have. And like, I just noticed I said I'm hollering. It just really means like LOL. Like, you know, sometimes when you say LOL, you're not really laughing for real. But I'm going to be quiet and just let y'all watch me curl the rest of my hair. I did record the other side, but it was blurry, so I didn't add it in. I do have another video on my page wand curling though. And this is the finished product. I really liked it. I'm sorry, y'all cannot tell me this is not my real hair. I really enjoyed these bundles from Asteria hair, and I do think the 22 looks kind of long for a 22. Let me know in the comments what y'all think and if you guys would try Kinky straight bundles.